Welcome back everybody to the layout. In this video we are talking about our signal system. We've been messing around with it. As you can tell, we have a green and a red, and now it changed to red. Right now we're just controlling it from our throttle, but later on we'll have it set up so that the dispatcher can be controlling it as the trains call in. So we got this signal working here. And then we have these two dwarfs also working. Alright, there's the green. So now we can proceed out of the yard. Issues with these engines. So the signals are being controlled by this SE8C. That's the board over here, and we have right now two ribbon cables going in. So we got 1 and 2. So right now we got 1 working. So those are driving the two dwarfs and the two signal stands. So we also got another ribbon cable getting ready for the other signals. So let's go take a look here. So here's the ribbon cable, and it's connected to the signal, and there's a little plug. And these are the plugs down here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. There they are. They just snap onto the ribbon cable, and then you plug in these guys, the mass, which we have wired to here. So this is the ones you can get from Digitrax. And we just snap these top of them off, and then we wired them, and I'll show you. So this is the mast that I'll be using on the layout here. It's 3 color LEDs, and here's one already wired up. So we got them soldered on one side. So this side is controlling the high side, the top LED. No, I'm sorry. This one controls the top, and then this controls the bottom. Let me just double check that in the diagram. Alright, here's the diagram. So where I have that bar set or soldered is the high side, and the back side where all the resistors are is the low. So that would control the low LED, and that will control the high LED. And these are the addresses that we call up on the throttle to throw it. So for the main line, the high and low is 257 and 259, and the two dwarfs is 261 and 263. Alright, and that's how we control it right now off the throttle. But like I said, once Willie comes over and messes around with the program again, he will get it programmed into the dispatcher's panel, and then we can throw everything off the dispatcher and we'll be able to run trains just like the rail trains do, give signals and everything. And that's what we're working on, and we will be putting in more signals over here. There'll be 2 double dwarfs over here, a single dwarf over there, and then over here we'll have a single, another single, and a double dwarf. And then there will be 1 signal over here, and then a single dwarf on that side. And then hopefully we'll get this up and running. And the other thing I've been working on is wiring more of these toggle switches for the tortoises that I have down here. One here, and one there, and up in Superior Propane. This one's all wired up. Just have to mount it. So the 3 switches are going to be for Chatham Street. So we're going to have 1 there, 2, and 3. I think this diagram has changed a little bit, but anyway, they're going to be for over here. So there's going to be, wrong way, there's going to be a panel over here, and then these toggles or push button switches are going to be mounted over here as well. These ones are going to be controlled from the dispatchers as well. These ones will not be controlled by the dispatcher. They're just for the yard crew alone. Alright, so that's the other project we're working on. Trying to get all this wired up. And then slowly but surely the progress is going. I put some more ballast down up here in Superior Propane. And more engines to work on. Changing out decorders. Alright, so thanks again for watching. I know this was a short video, but the signaling and the detection is coming along slowly. Willie was over on the weekend working on this signaling with me, and we were at it all night, and we finally got these 3s to work, but there's a lot more work to be done. And then I'll keep you posted, see what we're doing. And again, thanks for watching. And give me a thumbs up if you like it. Share it. Subscribe if you haven't. And let's watch some trains running again. Thanks again. Oh yeah, one other thing. This dowel is a 1/2 inch dowel that we cut to, I don't know, about 1 inch, just enough to go underneath the 1/2 inch plywood, and then we drilled the hole out. But this one's going to be drilled over here, not over there. We put it in the wrong spot, so I got to fill that hole and drill a hole over here for it. And the same thing happens to the little dwarf signal. We mount it on a 1/2 inch dowel, drill it through, put a little bit of brass tubing on it, put some styrene at the top so it doesn't fall through the hole, and that's the way we mount it. Alright, and again, thanks for watching. I've been having problems with these 2 engines. Just running them around a little bit. No price.
So when they stop, for you?